Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see about addition and subtraction. Most probably I will explain you first of all subtraction because last time we had just seen about addition. So subtraction of rounding of the numbers. So first one we'll just go for round of the numbers. Round of the number nearest 10. Nearest 10. So we have to estimate and round off the numbers nearest tens. Now first one is, the number is 245 minus 162. Now there are two numbers. First number is 245 minus second number is 162. Now first of all, before subtracting, we had to round off the number one by one. So I'll just take the number, first number 245. So to round up the number 245 nearest tens, we had to just take the ones place, unit, tens, hundred. Units place number we had to underline. And we had to see that the number is bigger than 5 or smaller than 5. Because half of 10 is 5. So always in the units place, if the number is bigger than 5 or 5, then the numbers to the tens place is added with one number. So now here the number is 5. So here this number will become 0 and the tens place number is added with 1. So here 4 number is there. We have to add this 4 number by 1. So 4 plus 1, what is the answer? You will get the answer is 5. And here this 2 as it is. So 250 is the answer. You can just write this 250 in front of the number. So what answer we got? See, 245. When we rounded this number to the nearest tens, we got the answer 250. In the same way, we will just proceed for the second number. What is the second number here? Here the second number is 162. So I will write this 162 here. And in the same way, we have to just round up this number to the nearest tens. So for that same steps we can follow. I will just underline the number below the units place. So first you can just write the place value of each number. So I have written here unit, tens and hundred. So we have to underline the units place number. Now we can just see the number. What number is there in the units place? Here the number is 2. So what I have just told you, if the number is 5 and bigger than 5, then the tens place number changes. Means tens place number is added with one number. Now here the number 2 is smaller than 5. So this number will not change at all. This number will convert into 0 and the tens place number will remain as it is and the hundreds place number also remains as it is. Because see, units place number is smaller than 5. So the tens place number doesn't change. So here the answer is 160. So you got the answer 160. When we round up 162 to the nearest 10, we get the answer 160. So now here 160 and here we got the answer 250. Now we can just take these two numbers together and we can estimate them. We can find out the difference. Difference means subtraction, we can just do it. Now see here, which is the bigger number we can just see first? 250 or 160. So among these two numbers, 250 is the bigger bigger number. So always remember children, when you are subtracting any number, you have to take the bigger number first and the smaller number second. Now first I will take 250. Then the second number is 160. I will write below this 160. Now I will put here subtraction sign and we will just subtract this minus. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 5 minus 6. From 5, 6 is going? No, because always remember that from bigger number we can subtract the smaller number, but from smaller number we can't subtract the bigger number. So for that what you have to do, you have to cut this 5, keep it on the head, and this 5 will ask the neighbor number. Which is the neighbor number to 5? 2. So the 5 will ask 2 to give 1 here. So from 2, 1 will go here, and from 2, 1 is gone there. Then what is the remaining number is here? The number is 1 remain. So 15, 6 goes. So if you want to just see minus from 15, 6, you can just calculate the number after 6 to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So total, what the answer just count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 here. So remember children, here see the number. You go on counting after this number to the upper number, nearest this number. What is this number is? 15. So after 6, 7 onwards, 15 you can just count. You will get the answer 9 here. Means 15 minus 6, you will get 9. Now 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So your answer is 90. You are going to say 090. No, this is wrong. Because see children, before any number, when we write 0, that 0 doesn't have any value. Keep it in your mind. Only you must read the after number, whatever the numbers are there, that you can just read out. You can read 9, after 9, 0 is there, you can say 90. But before 9, when 0 is there, this number doesn't have any value. This you can just keep it in your mind. So once you understood this sum, now I will proceed for the next sum. So next sum I will write this. The second sum is, we will just find out nearest round of the number, nearest 100. 100. So we have just seen children nearest 10. In the same way, we will go for nearest 100. Now first of all, I write a number. The sum is 4,862 minus 2,749. So the number is 8,462 minus 2,749. So now what we'll do, in the same way, but we have to just see that we have to round the number to the nearest 100. So for that thing, I will write the first number, 4,862. I will write the place value. You need tens, 100 and 1000. So here are 4 numbers, means they comes under thousands place value. Now to round up nearest 100, you have to underline 2 digits. Units place and tens place, because see you are going to round up the hundreds place value. So we have to underline 2 numbers and we have to keep it in your mind 50 number, 50, because half of 100 is 50. So 50 and more than 50, when it is there, then what changes on the hundreds place. So now here the number is 62. So 62 is smaller or bigger? We have to just find out. So 62 is bigger than 50. So here these two numbers will become 0, and as this number is bigger than 50, we have to add one number to the hundreds place. So here when I add 1, 8 plus 1, or after 8, which number comes? That you have to write. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 will come, and thousands place number will not change at all. That will remain as it is. So your answer is 4,900. So I had just rounded the number 4,862 to the nearest 100, and I got the answer 4,900. In the same way, now I'll go for the second number. The second number is 2,749. Now I will write the place value. So the place value, units, pence, 100 and 1000. Now I will underline the two numbers, units place and tens place. So here you can just see the number units place and tens place. What is the number? 49. So you have to just see whether 49 is bigger than 50 or smaller than 50. Now 49 is smaller than 50. So the place value on the hundreds place number will not change at all. So here these two numbers will become zeros, and here this number will remain as it is. 7 will remain as it is because the numbers on units and tens place is smaller than 50. So here the number will become 7, and these two will remain as it is. So you will get the answer 2,700. Now we got both the distinct rounding up the numbers answer. Here is 4,900 and here is 2,700. Now we will take these numbers together and we will subtract. We will find out the difference. So 4,900 minus 2,700. Minus 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 7. So I told you, after 7 count till 9. 8, 9. So 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. You can say like this way. After 2 count till 4. 3, 4. So 2. So what is the answer, children? 2,200. So you understood? Rounding up the number nearest 100 and to find out the difference between the given numbers. So now we have just found the difference between 4,862 minus 2,749, and we got the answer is 2,200. So this is rounding up of the number nearest 100. Now we will see the next one, nearest 1000. Nearest thousands place one. So here the number I'll just write is 35,946 minus 18,645. So here 35,946 minus 18,645. Now we are just going to see the number nearest 1000. So for that same way, you can take the first number. 35,946. We had to just round up to the nearest 1000. So for that 1000, always you know children, 1000 has 3 zeros. So 3 numbers you can underline. Units, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So you have to underline 3 numbers. And half of 1000 is 500. So you can just say the number which is underlined is smaller than 500 or bigger than 500. See here it is 946. So 946 is bigger than 500 or smaller than 500? It is bigger than 500. So this number, the number on the thousands place is increased by 1. And these all 3 numbers will become 0, 0. And 5 here 1 is added. So 5 plus 1, what the answer is? 6. And this number will remain as it is. So you got the answer 36,000. So you can write here 36,000. Now the same way, the second number I'll write here. The second number is 18,645. Now here, same way, you have to write down the place value. Units, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Now, you have to underline the 3 numbers. Now see the numbers, read the numbers, underline numbers. 645. So 645 is smaller or bigger than 500? So 645 is bigger than 500. So now the number on the 1000 place value, it is added by 1. So here these all 3 numbers will become zeros and here 1 is added because here the numbers on unit times 100 together, it is smaller than 500. So we can just add here, bigger than 500. So we have to add here 1 to the thousands place value. Here the number will become 8 plus 1, 9 and the 10,000 place value will remain as it is. So you got the answer 19,000. So here we can write 19,000. Now take both the numbers and subtract. 36,000 minus 19,000 0, 0, 0. From 6, 9 is not going because 6 is a smaller number. So for that you have to just cut this 6, keep it up, cut this 3, ask to give 1 here and write here 2 remains because from 3 1 is gone here. So here remains the 2. Now from 16 9 goes. You can count after 9 to 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you got the answer. Here what is this number? 7. So here it becomes 7 and 2 minus 1, 1. So you got the answer 17,000. 17,000 is your answer. So children, you understood now how to round up to nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 and find out the difference. Difference means subtraction. Thank you.